Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Cancerians. Let's see what are the messages for Cancerians. Okay, so we have the Ten of Pentacles, the King of Swords, the Hangman, okay, the Four of Cups, the Eight of Cups, okay, the Death, the Six of Cups, the Ace of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. Okay, that seems to be beautiful. So Cancerians, what I feel here is that there is a situation which was very stable and long-term committed. Everything was very good over here. Okay. But what I feel is that in this situation, there something has happened in this situation because of which there is a things don't seem to be really good. It is a very cold type of an energy in this situation, which was stable at some point in time, or which seemed to be stable at some point in time. I think it was actually stable, but somehow something has happened in which, because of which now there is a that warmth is lacking, I should say, or it's a little very bit it's a defensive and a detached type of an energy. And because, or maybe somebody has said something harsh and rough, because of which you really feel upset. Okay, and because of which the situation has become really stagnant. Okay, things are just not moving forward. So basically the stability of this has been affected by something which has been said or done in a little rash manner. That's what I feel. So there, either something has been said, and because of that there is that detached type of an energy, that coldness is there in this beautiful energy of the Ten of Pentacles. And since then the situation is just stuck, and there was a phase in your life in which you really felt that you are not able to focus on anything. You were really upset about it. But then slowly and gradually, because since you were upset over there, since things were just not moving forward, you felt very bad. Perhaps you wanted to sort it out. Perhaps you thought of the ways and means to sort it out, but you couldn't do it. And you were totally into that negative phase of that life. Okay, you're not able to focus on anything else also. But then slowly and steadily you worked on yourself, and you decided to, and you were able to let it go. You were able to let it go. That's what I feel. And you had to leave it, so you had left that situation and perhaps walked out of it. Now what I feel is that situation is coming to an end. That's what I feel, that this situation is coming to an end. Or maybe it's like either you're walking away from that situation, or when you left it, or that things which were stuck and stagnation is ending, can be that also. Or maybe you're walking away itself, you ended the situation by walking away from it. It can go both ways. So it can be both things, because the cards which are coming up are really positive. So one thing is that once you left the situation and you thought of letting it go, automatically that situation ended. Okay, once you decided to let it go, that is one thing. Another thing can be with the Death card, that since you've left the situation, and the situation which you had left is ending now, and since we have the Six of Cups, which talks about reconciliation and getting back, that's why I am saying that maybe this phase itself is ending, and maybe you are able to reconcile with this person, because we do have a new beginning here with the Six of Cups, the Ace of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. So definitely there is a reconciliation which is coming in with and it is a new beginning which is giving you all the wish fulfillment. So from the Ace to the Nine of Cups, from the beginning to the wish fulfillment. So this reconciliation is starting as if it is something new, starting from the base level. Basically it's a new beginning here, which is promising all the happiness. So what I feel here is maybe the situation itself is ending and the reconciliation is happening. Okay, or you ended it yourself, whatever it was. But now what is being promised is, which is coming up, the energies are of reconciliation and a new beginning, giving all the happiness to you. Just see, we have the Seven of Diamonds, which is the Sun card of this deck. So again, a lot of happiness is coming up, Cancerians. Guidance from the angels. Open your heart. Number 6 may be of some significance for you. Allow love to grow and bloom all around you. You waited for this emotionally fulfilling experience for such a long time, and now the time has come. Make your choices by listening to your heart and then following the steps you are guided to take. Joy will lead you into a vibrant and healthy life. So, Cancerians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.